This video is for the 6th grade fundraiser commercial assignment for adding Creative Commons licensed images. First, you're going to start off at drive.google.com, click on New, and then click on More, and then click on WeVideo Video Editor. And from here, you're going to rest your pointer over where it says Untitled Video and click on Continue Editing. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we've got all of our text done first. So all of our text from last class. And we're going to open up a new tab. And then in the new tab, you're going to go to search.creativecommons.org. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to just have the make sure Google Images is checked off. So it should kind of come up in like kind of a light blue. It's hard to see in the video. And next, what we're going to do is make sure that these two check boxes are checked so that we have something we can use for commercial purposes and change. And so, for example, I'm just going to do a search for puppy and hit enter. So now I've got a bunch of pictures that I can use. So I'm just going to click on one and then bring up the larger picture. I'm going to make sure my pointer is on the picture itself. Do a 2-finger click, and then you're going to choose Save Image As. Then from here, you're going to click on Google Drive, and then you're going to, you can give it a name if it doesn't have a name like Cute Puppy or whatever it has to do with, but you just have to make sure that it ends with .jpg. So then you're going to go ahead and hit save, and then click back over to the WeVideo tab. And then you're going to make sure that you're on the media folder right here, and then click on Upload Media. Next, you'll click on the little Google Drive logo, and you're going to see in the top right corner, it's going to say pop-up blocked, or it's going to have like a little red X. You want to click on that. And then you want to click on Always Allow Pop-ups, and then click on Done. So then, unfortunately, you'll just have to click it a second time. And then from here, you'll be in your Google Drive account. And I happen to have a bunch of pictures, but anyway, you get the point. So you're going to go ahead and get the picture that you saved. So you'll go ahead and click on it, and then click on Select. Next, what you're going to do is you can just X out of this dark gray window that appears, and then I happen to have a bunch of stuff, but you'll see the picture pop up here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag it into the main section of your timeline, so right underneath your text. And then what you want to do is you want to put your pointer on the right-hand side of the picture, and you're going to click and drag it so that it stops at the same time as your text. And so then just to test it out, you can click and drag the green playhead to the very beginning and hit play. And what should happen is you should see your text and your picture appear at the same time, and then they should disappear at the same time. So just going to hit play right now to test it out. So you want to make it so that your text, your picture, and your voice all appears at the same time. And so then what you want to do is continue to find pictures. So you'll click back over to where you did the Google search and just hit back on the top left corner, and then you can search for another picture, and you're going to do the same thing where you're going to find a picture, click on it, 2-finger click, Save Image As, click on Google Drive, save, and then add it into WeVideo. So you'd click back over to WeVideo, and then you would click on the media folder. Now, if you've got a bunch of stuff, you'll just have to scroll back up and then do Upload Media, upload more files, then once again, click on Google Drive, and you should see the picture that you have saved. And like I said, I have a bunch of stuff, so Don't worry about that. Here's my picture. You'll click on it, click on select, and then X out of that dark gray window. You'll find your picture, and then finally you'll just go ahead and drag the picture into your work. So there's my little picture, and drag it next to the first picture. Make sure it goes next to the first picture. And same thing, you click and drag so that it ends at the same time as your text and your voice. And you can just click and drag that green playhead and hit play to test it out.
And sadly, 3.4 million cats are given up to animal shelters each year.
And you're going to repeat the process so that you have pictures for all of your scenes. And that's it.